What's up guys, it's me Umair. So here I'm going to play a video in YouTube to see do the video work or not. Let me turn off the A2 mode. Yeah. So now let's play a video. I connected my Bluetooth speaker. Okay, let me turn on the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi need to be on by now. Here we go. The Wi-Fi is on. Isn't that awesome? So now let me see do the okay, for example, I wanna A2 mode. Okay, I'm gonna listen to a song. Visual OST. Okay, and let's see can we play the video or not. Okay, here's the video playing in YouTube. Here's my Bluetooth speaker. Can I e-ink display play the video or not? It's playing. It's quite horrible. Let's turn the A2 mode. Wow, it's playing. It's playing, man. Wow. Wow, I mean you could play the video. I mean you could literally play the video, absolutely no problem. So the video worked. The video worked. That's all I can say. The video work on the e-ink display. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.